Hi guys, it's a little comparison video. The A5 Giglio Campagna and the A5 Giglio Amica. This is the Campagna. I have some papers in the back, so look. I don't show you my face right now because I had the surgery yesterday. I look like a monster. I have some A4 papers in here, and this is how it bends down. And now we have the Amica. It is pretty stuffed, and this is how the Amica bends down. And that's what I wanted to show you. Okay, I can. This is soft and supple. This is soft and supple. And this also. This is a little bit more bendy, but I haven't stuffed too many things into these pockets here. So now it's on you to decide which works better for you. Bye bye.